all banks are now pushing to go digital. You're not the only one. Even big tech like Amazon, Google, getting into the financial services space.
Yep.
It's getting so competitive.
It is.
How do you navigate and stay relevant in the digital landscape?
Yeah, well, you only stay relevant by offering something to customers that's really differentiated. And in some cases, we can do that ourselves. We've got some outstanding products and services. In terms of delivery of a lot of these products, the big tech convenience platforms are better. They can offer a better level of customer satisfaction than we would, because they can offer a full range of products. So our challenge there is to get into these partnerships where we become part of their ecosystem, but ideally a value-added part. If we're providing a generic product that anybody else can provide, it may be a good product, but likely the margins are going to come under pressure over time. And from time to time people say, but why would Standard Chartered be a better partner for Bukalapak or in a different market for Amazon or Google? And the answer is, we are big enough to be very relevant and very fast technologically, but we're small enough to be a challenger, to be disruptive, and to be agile.
Are the lines blurring though? Do bank CEOs like yourself now have to ultimately think they're running tech companies?
We are running a tech company. That is what we're running. I mean, we're running a customer-focused financial services tech company. That's what we do. And if we miss that, if we think that somehow we're in a different business and we're not customer-focused, or we're not getting the technology right, then we will not work.
There's a lot of talk about Web3, about the Metaverse. Your rivals, JP Morgan, HSBC, already making moves into the space. What are your plans, and how will it change the banking landscape?
Well, I think we're pretty embedded there already. Certainly, I think we're at the cutting edge of thinking and acting where we can on the whole digital asset space and cryptocurrencies. That will be the analytical and financial underpinning of the Metaverse. Will be digital assets of one form or other. I think maybe what you're referring to is people taking a stake in the Metaverse, buying a little piece of digital property, et cetera, which we continue to look at. I scratch my head and say, well, where's the return going to come from? But I think there's really interesting intersections between, I call it the real economy and the virtual economy. I mean, we all have kids that have played games like Minecraft, and the first time this is years ago, my kid showed up and said, I need your credit card because I've got to buy this sword in Minecraft that's going to allow me to take over that tower. I said, but that's real money. We're no longer talking virtual money. This is real money. So there is an intersection, which I think is a really natural place for banks to play.